This is 7.5.1 practice. So we have a circle here with a number of chords drawn in, and not everything is drawn in, so you may have to create some segments. In the given circle, we want to identify an inscribed angle associated with arc DC, then identify crossing chord angles associated with arcs BC and DE, and then identify the central angle associated with, and of course congruent to, arc BE. Pause. Okay, here's a solution. In this one, let's see, in the given circle, identifying an inscribed angle associated with arc DC. So here's the arc. Your answer could have been either this angle right here, which is angle CBD, BD, or you might have also said this angle over here, which is also inscribed with that arc, angle DEC. DEC. So that's the answer to the first one. Then identify, let's see if we can do this in blue, crossing chord angles associated with arcs BC and DE. Oh, and I didn't label them, so I should have done something right in here. Maybe you did that. There's a, let's call this X. Should have labeled that for you. And the angle would be CXB, which is equal to, right, because of vertical angles. You may have also written DXE, DXE. And that's the second one. And the third one, let's do this in purple. Identify the central angle associated with and congruent to arc BE. Arc BE is way down here. We know that central angles always use the center. So in this case, we need to draw in something here, right? So the central angle would be angle BAE, BAE. And hopefully you got those right. I think that's all the answers you could possibly come up with. Just trying to get on board with what inscribed angles, crossing chord angles, and central angles are.